it drip like this, heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip, just say you have.
Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig from Alipearl hair. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig and it is in 24 inches. As you can see, it's colored this beautiful silvery gray and black. And here I'm just showing you guys everything that came in the package. The first thing I did was bleach the knots on the closure. I used 40 volume developer and blue bleach, and I let it sit for about 30 minutes. And now I'm going to go ahead with the styling process. At first, when I let it dry and everything, and I was looking at the wig in the camera, I was like, wait, this color is kind of off. But then I finally realized, once my lights kept going in and out, that it was just the lighting. So the wig, once my lighting changes, you'll be able to see how good it looks and how good the color is. At first I was a little worried, but it was just my lighting. Just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb to make sure the top of the wig is super flat. So here I'm just making sure that part is nice and straight with my tweezers, and then I'm going to start the process of straightening my hair. I can never ever remember the name of the spray that I use to straighten the hair, but I will link that down in the description box. As you can see, even though this hair is colored, which means it's processed, it's still getting super straight and silky. Is the final step in my styling process. I'm just taking a cut in half ponytail holder and a wig pin, and I just stuck it down the middle like that, and I'm taking black spray to make sure that part is super crisp. So on to the application, I'm taking my Ghost Bond glue and I'm going to do one coat of that just on the wig cap to do like a bald cap method for the closure wig, and I'm just going to let it dry completely before I apply the wig. So now I'm taking the foundation that is my same shade. I'm just going to apply that where the closure will be. So now I'm going to apply the glue for my wig, and I did 2 coats of this. So I did the first coat and then I let it dry, and then once that was completely dry I went on to the second coat. So fortunately I have a big forehead, so when I do this I bring my wig cap down pretty far because I really want to protect my edges because I'm trying to grow my hair out. And what's the point of having long hair and then no edges because of wigs? So I try my best not to, you know, get any of this glue on my edges. And as much as I try, I still got a little bit on my edges, but it wasn't bad at all. So now the glue is completely dry, as you can see here. I'm just going to go ahead and apply the wig. And I already did put foundation inside the wig on the closure. So now on to the details. I'm going to go in now and just straighten a few things up and do the baby hairs. I don't even know why I didn't cut the lace before I did this part, but I didn't for some reason. So I'm just pulling out the baby hairs that I'm going to make, and then I tied my elastic band around my head so it can, you know, melt down into my skin. Okay, so here you can see one side I had already put the gel on, and then I'm gonna go in on the other side and do the gel because the fluffy baby hair is just, it wasn't doing it for me. It wasn't giving on me like I've seen it give on other girls. So I just went with what I knew with the Eco Styler gel, the Old Faithful, and then now I'm just gonna go in and define my part a little bit more with Fawn Concealer.